How to send view once photos on Instagram. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily send the view once photos on Instagram. So first thing, head over to your Instagram application, and once you're inside here, simply head over to any of your chat, and let's say I want to send this photo as an view once photo. So as you can see, there is no option to select view once from here. You can simply send it from here, but there is no view once only option over here. So click back from here, and what you can do is simply click on this camera icon over here, and once you are over here, simply click on a gallery from there, and as you can see, now you can select the photos, and you will get here the option called allow replay. And if you want to keep it in chat, simply click on it. And what if you want to click for it as a view once, which will send your photo as a view once, you simply need to click on this and simply send. And that's exactly how you send view once photos on Instagram. So hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.